Challenge yourself. Put your endurance to the test and try out your fishing skills at a place where anything can happen. Catch a fish from real whitewater. Pontycentrum fishing base at Lake Tissa. Lake Tissa was constructed in the floodplain of the river Tissa. Boasting with thousands of hectares of water surface, it is the largest water body in Hungary after Lake Balaton. Owing to its natural endowments, Lake Tissa hosts a unique aquatic life that is unmatched in Europe, comprising a plethora of fishes, water birds and aquatic plants. At this amazing watery location, a fishing base has been set up, which has exceptional values and satisfies all needs. An island which can only be approached by boat. Covering 1.5 hectares, varied by huge grassy spots, groves and wooded areas, this island is 2.5 kilometers away from the nearest point of shore. As we consider safety first and foremost, the territory is entirely surrounded by a man-made concrete retaining wall. So no matter how massive waves a raging storm might bring about, the fishing base is safe. It has a small port of its own, where several boats can be moored securely. The island combines wilderness with comfort and tranquility, offering us a chance to relish the joys of fishing in complete isolation, yet undisturbedly. Regarding its characteristics, we primarily recommend the island to carp anglers who settle here for a longer period, but it is also the perfect ground for spinning and competitive anglers. The operators of the fishing base also have watercraft to facilitate the guests moving in and out. For more information and making a reservation, call the phone number shown on your screen.